Do you believe that a man who sells rejected and overrun shoes can become one of the richest people in the country today? Yes, we all know Mr. Henry C. of Schumann. And do you believe that OFW will become the CEO of the multinational company that operates 6 different countries all over the world? Yes, that's Rebecca Bustamante Mills. And do you believe that the poor tricycle driver, a farm helper, can become the largest supplier of rice in the whole province of Negros? Yes, I can do that. I am Martin Servan, a proud alumni of Bagosphere, Bagskin. I wouldn't say I was a tricycle driver, but I would say I am a tricycle driver, a farm helper, a father to a certain son of the education, and my wife works as a boy government before. I have goals in life. I need to support the education of my son. So when I heard about Bagosphere, at first I have doubts since it's been a long time that I was out of school. I have doubted myself if I can really do it well. But in order to reach my goals, I have to grab the opportunity that comes my way. So I go to Bagosphere, I undergo the selection process, and I make sure I give my best. And luckily, I passed, and during the 2 months of training, I encountered a lot of struggles since I don't have any ideas about computers. I don't have knowledge of IT. I have been afraid to touch a single buttons on the keypad, on the keyboard. But during the 2 months, after 2 months of training, I was able to pass the typing test, which requires 25 words of typing speed. At first, during my training at Bagosphere, I only had 4 words per minute of typing speed. And I also passed for SAT, which is one of the critical part to pass when you apply for a call center job. I am now working in Parishati. And hopefully, next month, I will be able to learn Hindi. At this point of my career, I was able to reach one of my goals. I am now supporting the education of my son. And in the next few months, with the help of my wife, who is working as a OFW, we'll be able to apply materials for the house that we plan to build. After 2 to 3 years of working in Parishati, I can see myself as a supervisor. It enables me to gain more bigger salary that will help me to reach one of these goals to help farmers in my community, giving finances to the farmers with low rates. That is my way to help back to my community. And in the next 10 years or 10 to 15 years, I can be the biggest supplier of rice in the whole province of Negros Occidental. I have to say that I was doing since I was 12 years old. Behind the dark clouds, the sun is still shining. As we can see, Mr. Henry C. Ms. Rebecca Bustamante Mills started her career, as we can see, behind the dark clouds. But because of her hard work, determination, and having the right attitude, we were able to wipe the dark clouds out, and now we're enjoying the sunshine. To my fellow alumni, having the right attitude, hard work, and determination, makabalik ang basta nagkasangan para maglaksada. So we can say our future will shine bright like the sunshine. So I feel all of night, to Bago Spear, wish you all the best, good luck and congratulations. Our honorable guest, Sir Andrew Martin Torres, Sir Cleo Gabriel, Sir Ali, Sir Levi, Ms. Bernal, and to all the people who believes in Bago Spear, to the parents, friends, thank you so much, and bless us all.